Hey everyone, this is Interactive Books. What we are going to be reading today is with Disney's Frozen Play and Sound book. Now we do have, different sounds over here on the side that go along with the book. So I will be pressing them along with the story as long as the picture shows within the sentence. Alright, so let's get started. Oh, wait a minute. What is this? These are stickers. These stickers did come with the book within the 3-pack. If you do want to review how you get these stickers, you can always look at the link below. I do have an unboxing video with all 3 Frozen Disney books. So we'll just put this aside here. So let's get started with Disney's Frozen. Once upon a time, in the faraway northern kingdom of Arendelle, there lived a king and queen who had 2 daughters, Elsa and Anna. Anna knew from a very young age that Elsa had an amazing power. She could create snow and freeze things, even in summer. One night, Elsa made a winter wonderland in the Great Hall. The sisters had a blast as they built a snowman and tossed snowballs. Suddenly, Elsa's magic got out of hand and injured Anna. The king and queen took the girls to see some magical trolls. The trolls healed Anna and changed her memories, so she wouldn't remember Elsa's magic. They warned that Elsa's powers would grow and she would have to learn to control them. The king gave Elsa gloves to help control her powers. Elsa decided to stay away from Anna to keep her safe, and the sisters grew apart. After many years, it was time for Elsa to be crowned queen. Today is the coronation. On the way there, 18-year-old Anna meets Prince Hans of the Southern Isles. Anna and Hans hit it off instantly. At the coronation ball, they dance all night, and they then get engaged. Anna hurries to tell Elsa the news. Elsa is not happy at the news. Anna and Hans have only just met. As Elsa turns away, Anna grabs Elsa's hands and accidentally pulls off one of her gloves. Ice appears at Elsa's fingertips and spirals across the room toward the crowd. The townspeople are shocked. Elsa is afraid she'll hurt someone with her powers, so she runs from the castle. Everything freezes as she goes by. She dashes across the now frozen waters and flees up the North Mountain. Anna is relieved to find out about Elsa's powers. This must be why Elsa won't spend time with her. Anna misses her sister and hopes they can be friends again. Anna asks Hans to look after the kingdom. Then she sets off to find Elsa and convince her to come home and thaw the town. Along the way, Anna meets an ice harvester named Kristoff and his reindeer Sven. Anna convinces them to take her up the mountain. While Anna, Kristoff, and Sven trudge along, they admire the winter wonderland Elsa has created. Suddenly, a snowman named Olaf appears. He looks exactly like the snowman that Anna and Elsa made as children. Olaf knows where Elsa is and offers to take the group to her. Back in Arendelle, Hans grows worried about Anna. He and a group of men set off on a search for her. With Olaf's help, Anna and her friends reach Elsa's magnificent ice palace. She's afraid she might hurt Anna by mistake. Anna refuses to go back to Arendelle without Elsa. Frustrated, Elsa accidentally lets loose a blast of magic. Then she creates a giant snowman to usher Anna and Kristoff off the mountain. The group dashes away from the snowman and escapes down the mountain, but Anna has begun to freeze solid from Elsa's blast. Kristoff and Sven rush Anna to the magical trolls. The trolls tell them that only an act of true love can thaw a frozen heart. The friends hurry to Arendelle so Anna can get a true love's kiss from Hans. Meanwhile, Hans and his men arrive at Elsa's palace. Frightened, Elsa aims icy blades at some of the men. "Don't be the monster they fear you are," Hans begs. Elsa surrenders and the men take her to the castle and lock her in the dungeon. Anna finds Hans in the library. She leans in for a kiss, but Hans refuses. He only pretended to love Anna to gain control of the kingdom. Hans locks the door and leaves Anna to freeze. While Elsa uses her powers to escape the dungeon, Olaf breaks into the library and rescues Anna. Just then, Kristoff and Sven run toward the castle to help. "There's your act of true love right there," Olaf says, helping Anna outside. In the snowy courtyard, Hans raises his sword over Elsa. Anna is almost frozen solid. She can hardly move. Anna looks at Kristoff. Could his kiss save her life? Should she save herself or her sister? As Hans swings his sword at Elsa, Anna throws herself in front of her sister. At that instant, Anna freezes solid and blocks the sword. Hans lunges at Elsa, but Kristoff steps in and knocks him out. "Anna, no!" cries Elsa, hugging her frozen sister. Kristoff, Sven, and Olaf bow their heads in sadness. Just then, Anna begins to thaw. The act of love came from Anna when she sacrificed herself for her sister. Anna opens her eyes and looks at Elsa. "I'm sorry," they say together and then laugh. The snow and ice disappear, and now Olaf starts to melt. Elsa quickly creates a protective snow cloud just for him. When Hans recovers, he sees Anna with Elsa. "But she froze your heart," Hans protests. "The only frozen heart around here is yours," replies Hannah. Kristoff and Anna share a kiss. And best of all, Anna and Elsa are best friends again. Everyone in Arendelle lives happily ever after. The end. Alright, so that is the end of Disney's Frozen Play Sounds, a long book. Alright, thank you for watching, and you can view my other books. This did come with a 3-pack of books, so I do have an unboxing video within Toy Unboxer. Thanks again for watching. Bye!